So talking tools for big data analytics, there are many tools out there. There are many agnostic tools that talk to all cloud or some cloud. Choosing the right tool can be difficult. Choosing the right process and architecture can help a process along in identifying your business and meeting your business where you are. Opennetworks is a Google Cloud Premier partner. What this means is our staff are trained and have acquired professional certification to prove our best-in-class service. Things mentioned by Heidi, for instance, big data through analytical programs like BigQuery are very, very undermined and not used to their full extent. And let me explain. BigQuery is immensely scalable. The power and computing capability behind BigQuery can crunch terabytes in seconds and petabytes in minutes. It's also a horizontally scalable database, which in industry is a game changer. There are large-scale ETL processors. There are immense amounts of tools that cloud providers can offer, and choosing the right solution to serve you where you are can be difficult. From the ingesting the data, storing the data, analyzing and visually representing business intelligence through tools that can talk to one another is key.